Yo, how many people right now is going through like a financial setback? What I mean by a financial setback, where your money ain't where it need to be, or you might have fucked some bread up, or you're just frustrated with the income that you have and it feel like you can't propel to the next level because you're having a financial setback. Financial setbacks is real. So I'm only here to address it as a way for you to change your thinking and change your mentality. Number one, if you only work in a 9-to-5 job and you're dealing with a financial setback, instead of thinking about going get another job, I'm suggesting you go create another hustle. Point blank, period. Create some type of hustle that's going to bring in some extra funds for you. I don't care if you're only generating an extra $75 a week. Find something that you can sell, that you can resell, but find a side hustle, okay? Create some extra money, bring in some extra revenue. If you have a business and your business isn't performing to your liking, then what you need to do is explore other channels of advertising and promotion, because, advertising and promotion is the key to any business. Most businesses fail because the lack of proper management and the lack of proper promotion and marketing. Any and everybody should know about your business. Point blank, period. Any and everybody should know about your business. A lot of these women online right now, especially on Instagram, they make a lot of fucking money off their OnlyFans account. Their OnlyFans account has essentially become their business. But guaranteed, their link is in their bio, and they tell everybody at all times, check out my OnlyFans, check out my OnlyFans, check out my OnlyFans. Even in their story, they'll post a picture and say, check out my OnlyFans. That is proper promotion. The more people see it, the more people know about it. They might not do it today, but they may do it tomorrow. Don't let these people forget about your company and your business and your vision. Continue to push it out. So if you're having a financial setback with the business that you already have, just make sure that you're continuing to promote, you're continuing to advertise, and find other channels to do so. I don't care what that may be. If you're only on Instagram, jump on Facebook, jump on TikTok. Make some TikTok videos, act silly, be funny, but get people to know who your business is and who you are. Continuously promote. You need to promote. You need to advertise. You have to do that. Another thing, if you're having a financial setback, is sit back and evaluate your situation, evaluate your time, and come up with a plan. Put together a plan. Okay? And I never like to suggest this to people, but it's just a smart move to do if you have a financial setback. If you the type of motherfucker that order DoorDash and Uber Eats all the time, yo, stop that shit. Go to the market, buy some food, start cooking. Cook more than you order out. Stop being lazy and cook, because if you think about it, them extra fees that you just spending on top of what your food costs you can be money that can be used towards something, and it can help you with that financial setback. You got to cut something out of your life if you're not having the financial situation that you want. So my encouragement to you guys is to create a hustle, baby. If you got a hustle, turn that shit up a notch with your advertising and marketing. You have to turn it up a level. Find influencers. Ask your friends to share. Like, if these people really fuck with you, every other day your friends should be sharing if they're not buying. Just like that. Now, me personally, I don't just say this stuff and I don't do it in return. If it's a rapper, or if it's a person with a clothing line, it's a person with a beauty supply situation, anything, I repost their shit. I share their shit because that's what I would want done for me. And if I don't spend the money with you for whatever it is that you got going on, my support still comes in the fact that I'm sharing. I have people who may not know who that business is, but now they do. You feel me? So reach out to your folks. Tell your folks to share your business. If you want to get into another lane, reach out. Hit me up in my DM. I can show you how to get Airbnbs cracking. We even got opportunities to get some more slingshots down in Miami. My man Mike just called me and said, hey bro, I got the lot, we ready to go, bring what you got. I got 4 down there, I'm ready to take more. So if you want to jump on board, I am for the BS, just hit me up. yo, Dev, I'm ready to go. My credit is looking like X, Y, and Z. I got X amount of dollars. Like, let's get it together. Come get money with that, baby. We can do it. Look out for my OnlyFans page, man. My OnlyFans page that I'm going to be presenting is going to give y'all like a lot of one-on-one details of how to get into the rental business, whether it be Airbnb, whether it be Toro, whether it be slingshots and jet skis, and fingers crossed, God willing, by next summer, man, we gonna be having yachts, our own yachts, VIP me yachts on deck and out there to the masses. But my OnlyFans is gonna have that. I'm also gonna be putting my course, Do You Need Money, inside of that. I might be giving y'all a free subscription, so y'all can just go in there and get that content. But you're gonna have to pay for some of the specialty videos and stuff that can really make you the real chicken. You know what I mean? The real change, the real moolah. You feel me? But nah, seriously, look out for my OnlyFans page. It's definitely on the way. I'm in the works with a lot of things. I'm always hustling. I'm always grinding. I'm sending you motivation because at the end of the day, if you don't like it, I love it. Because I'ma still watch this shit. I'ma motivate myself to go turn up a notch, man, and go get at a bag, man. These financial setbacks ain't nothing. You can overcome anything. Believe in yourself. Believe in what you can do. Have a vision. Have a plan. Let's get it.